Hello guys, welcome back to the Learn for Grow. This is Praveen. We have started the English language learning series. In this series, I will teach you the grammars of English and give you the formulas and tricks how we can learn the English language in simple way. I will give the very basic levels formulas which the beginner can be understand, and he can also be speak in English and communicate in English and build their confidence to speak the English. So let us further dive into the topic. I have prepared the plans step by step. What are the concepts need to be covered to learn the language? In that, I have taken first is auxiliary verbs. What are the English auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs means which will help to make the sentences in meaningful. I have taken most used words in the English. See what are these: do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had been, has been, had been, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, will be, would be, shall be, should be, can be, could be, may be, might be, must be, will have, would have, shall have, should have, can have, could have, may have, might have, must have to, has to, had to, need to, dare to, want to, used to, have to be, has to be, need to be, dare to be, want to be, used to be, will have been, would have been, shall have been, should have been, can have been, could have been, may have been, might have been, must have been, wanted to, need to, likely, like to be, has to be. These are the most common used words I have taken, which will help us to speak or construct a sentence in a very meaningful manner. So I have given sample words which we used these words. So let's go into the topic. How we can use the do. I do my homework every evening, right? Like that. Does, she does her chores before going out. Did, he did finish his project on time. I am happy with the result. Is the sun is shining brightly in the sky. Or we are going to the park tomorrow. It was a beautiful sunset. Or they were planning in the garden. Like that. I have a new book to read. She has a lovely singing voice. He had already left when I arrived. We have been friends for many years. The project has been completed successfully. They had been living in the city from 10 years. She will call you back later. How we use would. If I had the time, I would join the club. Shall we meet at usual place? These are the words I have given. Remaining words I will give in the next video. So what is my suggestion is, you have to be write what I have given these words, and you have to practice and make new sentences like I have given, and you have to write and read. Then only you will improve your communication skills. So friends, thank you for the watching. If you find this is very helpful, please like, share and comment. Thank you friends. We will meet in the next video.